Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to be writing the two-variable inequality that goes along with a certain situation. Well, with any given situation. In this first one, we have a person named Jack. She has a maximum of $450 to spend. So that means that no matter what, $450 is going to be greater than or equal to any of what she's buying. What she is buying is shirts and jeans, and it says the shirts are $12 each. It's $12 for every shirt she buys. So the shirts are the variables and $12 are the coefficients for the variables. Then she also has jeans, and jeans are going to cost $27 times every pair of J jeans that she buys. What is an inequality that represents all combinations of shirts and jeans she can buy? Well, what we just wrote down was that it's $12 for every shirt, it's $27 for every pair of jeans, and together, when we add together those variables, we should end up with something that's less than $450. So this is the correct inequality. I'll show you one more, and then I'll give you a chance to do one next. In this second situation, we have somebody who's baking cookies, oatmeal cookies, and it takes 2 eggs for every batch of cookies, and it's going to take 3 eggs for every red velvet cake that she makes. She has 2 dozen eggs in her refrigerator. The first thing we need to fill in is this 2 dozen eggs in their fridge. That's going to be our limit. Everything else has to be less than 24 eggs. It's 24 because 2 times 12 makes 24. We're going to write the inequality that represents all the combinations of C, the batches of cookies. So that's one variable, C for cookies. And it was 2 eggs for every batch of cookies. And the second variable is going to be R. R is for the cakes, and it's going to be 3 eggs for every cake that she makes. She wants to not use all of her eggs, so that means we do need to keep it as only the less than sign. It won't be equal to because we are not going to use all of the eggs. If we use them all, then that would be less than or equal to. Okay, here's the next one. Take a look at it, pause the video, and then I'll show you the answer. In this question, she needs more than 500 points. She gets a plus 18 points for every correct answer, but she gets a minus 6 points for every incorrect answer. It said use the letter C for the correct answers and W for the incorrect answers. The final inequality is 18C minus 6W is greater than 500. Let's do one more. Myra's going on vacation. I'll let you read the rest. Pause the video. Play it when you're ready to get the answer. The limit is $325, but we already know that she's going to spend $100. So we're going to do $325 minus 100 to be $225 is the actual limit for what she can spend. $225 is going to be the most that she can spend. I'm writing it this way just because I have more space to the right side than the left, but $225 is going to be the limit, and everything else is going to need to be smaller than that. We have $20 for every beach pass, plus every amusement park pass, which is going to be $38 times A, because that's what they said to use for amusement park tickets. Just as long as we spend less than $225. Does it say or equal to? It doesn't really say or equal to 225, but it says that she has this much to spend on these activities. So she's already budgeted. She's okay with spending all of her money. So this would be the final amount. Okay. Part of your assignment is going to be to answer some word problems. So let's just look at this word problem, and that'll be the last example for today. It's the winter season, and Isabel knows that Hallmark has started showing their annual Christmas movies on their channel. She completed all of her homework early so that she can watch the movies for 16 hours straight. So that looks like it could be useful, but let's read the rest and find out. It's Saturday night, and she realizes she's going to need food for the next morning, but she only has $45 to spend. That might be our limit. Her favorite snacks, Cheez-Its and Kit Kats, so we could probably use C and K for the variables, cost $4 and $1.50 each, respectively, means in that order. She also knows she'll get thirsty from all the salt she's eating, so she has to buy $9 worth of sparkling water in order to stay hydrated while she's eating these snacks. Write the inequality that shows the amount of Kit Kats and Cheez-Its she can buy to be fully stocked. Then it says to graph it. Alright, let's write it first. We need $4 for every box of Cheez-Its plus $1.50 for every pack of Kit Kat. And in total, we have $45 to spend. We want to spend less than $45, but we are also going to buy $9 of sparkling water. You need to pay attention, so I put all my categories to where everything that I'm spending is on the left side of my inequality, and the amount of money that I already have is on the right side. To actually put this on a graph, you would probably want to, well, to graph it like normal, you're going to want to move the $9 to the other side. When you move the $9, you're going to be subtracting it. So really, the inequality that you're going to put in a graphing calculator is going to be 4c plus 1.5k is less than $36, because 45 minus $9 is $36. Let's use Desmos to graph this. 4x plus 1.5y is less than 36. Okay, there's my graph. Let's see if I can... I can't. Okay. If you're on a computer, then you're able to screenshot this graph just by pushing the export button, the share button. But I guess on the app I can't. So if you're on a computer, you can snip this and paste it into the assignment. And anything in the red area would be a solution, except for the negative answers. If there's anything negative, that won't be a solution, because if there was a negative answer, then that would mean that she bought a negative amount of Kit Kats or a negative amount of Cheez-Its, and that doesn't make any sense. So only the positive answers are the ones that actually work. In part B, she wants to buy 5 boxes of Cheez-Its. We already know that it's $4 for each pack of Cheez-Its, so $4 times 5 boxes is $20. She's also going to spend $10 on gas money. So another $10 is what she's going to spend. Together that's $30. Alright, so we started off with 4c plus 1.5k less than $36. That's how much money she had. But then we plugged in the number 5 for C. And we're also going to be adding another $10 that we know she's going to spend. So in total we have that 1.5K plus $30 on the left is less than $36. When we subtract the $30, we'll see that 1.5K is less than $6, and K is going to be less than or equal to, I guess I should change it to equal to for all of these. She could buy 4 packs of Kit Kats. When we divide 6 by 1.5, you'll end up with the number 4. Or less. Because if the goal is to stay under budget, maybe she holds back, she doesn't spend all of her money, she could buy 3 packs and still have $1.50 left over. Okay, so your goal for today is to simply take a word problem, create some variables, and put it together into an inequality. Good luck.